Welcome! Let's take a quick look at how file and photo uploading works in Matidor. Start by opening any project and heading to the Files section. This is where all your documents and images are stored. You can upload files by simply dragging and dropping them right into this area. Fast and easy. Prefer clicking instead? Just hit the upload button and choose files directly from your device. Matidor supports photos and documents up to 50 megabytes, making it perfect for plans, reports, and field photos. Once uploaded, click any file to preview it instantly. No downloads required. If your photo includes GPS data, Matidor automatically displays location details while viewing it. You can also remove files that are no longer needed. Need to find something quickly? Use filters to sort files by type, uploader, or date added. Expanding to table view will allow you bulk actions such as exporting all the files in your project. And that's it. File and photo uploading in Matidor is simple, organized, and built to keep your projects moving. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.